Hi everyone, welcome wherever you're coming from. Welcome, appreciate you guys. So today I have a piece of beef, but this part of the beef is called a roast. Normally, some people would pot roast it, but I use it just about anyhow, stew, curry, whatever. But today I'll be currying it. So first, I remove my beef from the plastic bag and I will wash it thoroughly, wash it with some lime. If you have lemon juice, that will be okay also. Some people will also use vinegar, depending on what you have. You wash your meat. Beef provides iron and four essential vitamins: niacin, I can't even pronounce this, guys. Riboflavin, vitamins B6 and B12, which help reduce tiredness and fatigue. Beef is naturally rich in proteins, which helps with muscle growth and support muscle mass. So if you're anemic, you can have some beef. Beef is also a rich source of zinc, which support normal hair, nails, and skin. Now I proceed to cutting up the beef, cutting it in small pieces. Normally, when we're currying meat, we tend to cut it fine. That's our culture. However, it does not have to be fine, but that's our culture, as I said. So after I cut up the beef, I will season it. I'll put some all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper, some cayenne pepper, and some mix season, various different season combined together will be going on this one. Powder seasoning I'm talking about, and a pinch of salt, because the seasons are already salty, so we just add a pinch of salt. I also add some turmeric powder. Turmeric is very good for our health. Some of the benefits of turmeric are: it reduces inflammation, it helps to improve the system, helps erase joint pain, helps to treat your gut, also helps with the enhancement of your mood, and that's a good one. Want to be in a good mood? Eat or drink some turmeric. Yes, guys, turmeric is very good, and one of the big one. It is said, or research have shown, that it helps to treat and prevent cancer. After adding all these seasoning, I'll use my fork and mix them in together. Allow my beef to soak for an hour or more. Allow the season to soak into the beef. Yes, that when you cook it, it is tasty and nice. The same thing I call marinate. You help it to you allow it to marinate. We call it soak and marinate. After about a hour and a half, after allowing the seasoning to soak in the beef or to marinate, I am gonna place the pot on the stove with some oil, allow it to heat up. I will add some chopped garlic, after which I will add some curry powder, Now, guys, we burn our curry, but we don't burn it and allow it to be black because it will taste bitter. We just like same like how we saute the season. Basically, say we saute the curry before adding the meat. Now that the curry is being burned or cooked to some degree, the pot is hot. I will go in with the beef now, pour the beef and stir it around. Ensure that all of it is infused with the curry. Continue stirring around until it is all distributed all over the beef. The curry is distributed all over the beef. So there you have it, people. If you look at the beef, you see that the color has changed. Curry is all distributed over it. Now it's time for me to cover my pot and allow it to cook for a while. I have gone ahead and prepared my natural herbs or seasoning, some vegetables, my tomatoes, carrots, Irish, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, and onion. All these will be added next on the beef. All these spice, these herbs, these vegetables will give the beef a lovely flavor, and it also helps with the gravy. So let's add them. Now that we're adding our herbs, our vegetables, our spices to the pot, we're going to stir them, mix them in, after which I will add some water to allow the beef to cook. Beef is a little or can be tough sometimes. Not it is not as easy to cook as some other meat like chicken. So I will turn it down on low to medium heat to allow it to cook slowly and tender. It is about 20 minutes now since I have added the water and covered the pot to cook. Now I am checking on it, stirring it, seeing, allowing it to take its time and cook down. Oh, the aroma is good, guys. I have some white rice on the stove cooking at the same time. So I'm going to give it a couple more minutes to allow it to cook properly because we don't want a tough beef. We want it soft and tender. The beef has been cooking for approximately 1 hour. It is almost there. It's not so tough because I turn it down on low heat. So it's cooking very, very slow. And it is much tender than before. Tastes good, but still need a little more time to simmer down to get that consistency with the gravy. Yes, so I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes before I actually turn off the stove and start sharing or dishing out the food. There you have it, guys. The beef is looking great. It is tasting good. The smell is wonderful. You smell it from a mile. Just joking, not so far, but you know what I mean. Just exaggerating a little bit, but it smells good. My neighbors can smell my pot, can tell her that I am cooking up some curry. So we actually gonna turn off the stove and start dishing out some food. Time to dive in and eat. I will be dishing out 4 servings. It's a family of 4. I bet they will enjoy dinner today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Do remember to leave a like. You can comment, but please like, can share it with your friends and family, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Love you. Appreciate